Now the next forms of energy is a heat energy. Okay, now earth receive heat from the sun. The earth receives heat in a proper quantities from the sun. So from sun we get the heat. So that is how an atmospheric temperature is favorable to the living world. Because of the sunlight, that in atmosphere they are having the heat. In atmosphere they are having the temperature. Yes, so heat is a form of energy. Sunlight contains heat energy. Sunlight contains heat energy. Now along with sunlight, again there are different sources are there from which we get the heat energy. For example, burning of fuel. Burning of fuel. So from burning of a fuel we get the heat energy, as in a bike, as we are filling the petrol, and when we start the bike there is a burning of petrol, there is a burning of fuel, so which create a heat, so the silencer get hot, so that is what it is, also one type of heat energy only. Again in kitchen also all time we are using no gas, so from that when we burn the gas we get the heat energy. So there is what, there is a burning of fuel in a cylinder having the fuel. When we on the switch there is a, it start to burning, the fuel start to burning, and so we get the heat energy. Now heat is measured in which unit? Calorie. Heat is measured in unit which, in which unit? Calorie. CALORIE, calorie. So the unit of heat is what? Calorie. Okay, now let's try this. One experiment is there. With the help of your parents you can try it at your home. Take a convex lens. If you having the lens at home, you can use it and hold it over a sheet of a paper in sunlight. In sunlight we have to take a white paper or any paper, and on that you have to hold the convex lens. Okay, now move the lens in such a way that there is a tiny spot of light on the paper. Move the lens, okay, rotate it. So at one point you get, so where you get a spot of light on the paper, on the paper you get one spot of a light, and hold it in this position. You have to hold the lens for some time. Hold the lens in this position for a while, and what happen, as we hold the lens in the same position for some time, now after some time the paper start to burning. So the paper start to burning. So why it start to burning? As we take a convex lens, as we take a lens, so whatever the sunlight is there, it get concentrated to the point. So when point we get no on the paper, so all the light through this mirror, through this glass, it get pointed, it get concentrated to the single point. As the in sun, as the sunlight they're having the heat energy. Yes or no? They are having the heat energy. So this heat energy get concentrated. So the paper start to burning. The paper start to burning. Understood everyone? Now the next forms of energy is a light energy. Next forms of energy is a light energy. So now it is a light energy. We have learned that plants make their own food with the help of sunlight. That is which process they follow? Photosynthesis. With the help of the photosynthesis, plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight. Means light energy is transformed into the energy in food. Plants and animal use this food for doing their work. It means that light is a form of energy. As we eat the food, so means from plant this energy is transformed in our body. Yes or no? So the light is also one form of energy. It is also one type of energy. Now see, collect information. Generally grapes which appear in the market during December and January are sour. Yes, the grapes, now there is having no month of December. So now the grapes which we get, it is sour in taste. However, in March and April the grapes are sweet in taste. So why is this so? Why in December and January the taste of grapes are sour, and why in March and April it is sweet? Yes, everyone think over it. See what happened in month of December, January, and what happened in month of March and April. See their season. Yes, in December and January, which type of season is there? Winter season. Yes or no? In December and January, winter season is there, temperature is less. As the temperature is less, the grapes are sour in taste. However, in March April, temperature is high, heat is more. Yes or no? Temperature is more. As the temperature is increasing, the taste of grapes, it become a sweet. Understood everyone the reason? So in March and April, the grapes are sweet because they are having the high temperature. Now second question, how does a picture appear on screen of TV, mobile, laptop and a cinema theater? So as we observing the picture on TV, mobile, laptop, cinema, it is also the effect of light energy. It is also the effect of light energy and heat energy when we on the button, when we switch on it. So their current energy is transformed into light energy. Yes, and because of that, we can observe the picture on it. Understood everyone? Now the next form of energy is the sound energy. You might have seen the glass panes of window crack due to the loud noise. Yes. And similarly, sound is used to control the movement of some toys, cars. Then this means that some work is done by sound. It tells that sound is a form of energy. See, as there is a loud noise, because of the loud noise, what will happen? The glass panes of windows get cracked. Means in the loud noise, they are having one type of energy. Yes or no? Again, sometimes sound is used to control the movements of some toys, cars. Yes, so to alert it, some sounds they are creating, so to alert their danger. So in different industries also, so to they are having one type of sound which create a alert, which create alertness. So that is also one type of energy. So sound is also one form of energy. Now next form is a chemical energy. When wood burns, we get heat and light. When wood burns, we get heat and light. Sometimes we hear a crackling sound as well. Sometimes we hear a crackling sound as well. So what makes this happen? The energy stored in wood is emitted in various forms through chemical action. The energy stored in wood is emitted in various forms, through chemical action. Also, it is due to chemical action in the lead acid battery, the electrical energy is produced. Now generated, as we know, in this time, in generator batteries, which type of energy is there? Chemical energy, as the energy is stored in the form of chemical. Now when we wood burns, it create a heat and light, and some sounds also creating crackling sound. So in that having the sound energy also. Then so the energy obtained through chemical action is called the chemical energy. Understood? In firecrackers also chemical is there. As they have stored the chemical, this is also one type of chemical energy. So the energy obtained through chemical action is called the chemical energy. Understood everyone? So this is all about the today's parts. Today we have studied about the relationship between work and energy, then different forms of energy. In that we have studied first form, mechanical energy. There are two types of mechanical energy, kinetic energy and potential energy. Then heat energy, light energy, sound energy and chemical energy. I think everyone have understood these all forms of energy. Okay, so everyone read out the lesson and write down the new words 5 times in your CW, and everyone complete the lesson number 9 and 10 in your CW. Understood everyone? So this is all about the today's parts. Okay, thank you.